Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPad model and making a reliable backup. This protects data if the beta misbehaves. Once done, free sufficient space and plug into power so the update won't stall. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in and two-factor authentication is enabled because Apple requires it for developer betas. Now you'll enroll the device. Download the beta profile from Apple's developer portal or public beta program on Safari and install the profile in Settings. Then reboot the iPad to activate the profile. You'll continue by installing the profile and preparing for the actual OS download. Once the profile is in Settings under Device Management, tap Install and follow the prompts. You may need your passcode and to accept certificates. After installing, immediately restart the iPad so the system recognizes the new provisioning. Then navigate to Software Update. The beta build should appear. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and on power, then tap Download and install. The progress can take time, depending on file size and network speed. You complete the process by letting the installer finish and following any post-install setup screens. After reboot, sign back into Apple services and verify apps. Some may need updates from the App Store. If the update fails or the iPad becomes unstable, reboot into recovery and restore your backup using Finder or iCloud. This returns you to a stable state. If apps crash or features misbehave, submit a clear bug report in Feedback Assistant with steps to reproduce, and check for follow-up incremental beta updates to resolve issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.